Like ICMP version 4, ICMP version 6 is a very important protocol. It resides at the network layer of the OSI model, and it is an integral part of IP version 6. There is no data being exchanged here. The purpose of the protocol is to communicate updates and error messages. It is as well used by the ping utility, such as the echo request and echo reply messages. ICMP version 6 takes the role of two important protocols that are obsolete now in IPv6, which are ARP, which is the Address Resolution Protocol, and IGMP. ARP supports the translation of IP addresses to MAC addresses, and the IGMP protocol, which stands for the Internet Group Management Protocol, is a communication protocol that is used by routers mainly on the network to establish a multicast group memberships. ICMP version 6 is expanded on top of ICMP version 4 to take these roles. ICMPv6 messages are encapsulated with IPv6 datagram packets, as shown here on the screen. The IPv6 packet will have the IPv6 header plus the IPv6 payload, and the payload includes the ICMP version 6 message. The ICMP version 6 message has the ICMP version 6 header, which has the type, code, and checksum plus the message. The type of messages supported by ICMP version 6 are error messages, informational messages, neighbor discovery messages, and group membership messages. So let's start here by the error messages. We have the destination unreachable message, which is generated by the source host or a router when an IPv6 datagram cannot be delivered for any reason. Packet too big message is generated by a router when the packet cannot be forwarded to the next hop link because the size of the IPv6 datagram is large or larger than the MTU, which is the maximum transmission unit. Time exceeded is similar to the time to live field value in IPv4 datagram header. So IPv6 header includes a hop limit field. The hop limit field value in IPv6 header is used to prevent infinite looping. So here, the hop limit field in IPv6 datagrams header is decremented by each router that forwards the packet. When the hop limit field value reaches 0, the router discards the datagram and returns this message, which is time exceeded message, to the source host. Parameter problem messages is typically related to the problems with IPv6 header itself. When a problem or mistake with an IPv6 header make a router cannot process the packet, the router stops processing, discards the packet, and sends a parameter problem to the source. Neighbor discovery messages are used for the neighbor discovery protocol. ND messages or neighbor discovery messages include router solicitation and router advertisement, neighbor solicitation, and neighbor advertisement. We will see that in the live example. Group membership messages has the MLD protocol or multicast listener discovery messages, which are used by IPv6 enabled router to discover hosts who are interested in multicasting packets. Informational messages or diagnostic messages are simply echo request and echo reply messages used by the ping utility. Let us go directly to Wireshark and see some examples. So here I've opened the ICMPv6 echo reply file. Just press on any frame here and expand the ICMP protocol header to see that you have the type, code, and checksum fields along with their sizes. This is just typical as we've seen. Here I've opened another file, ICMPv6_advanced. Just go here to the display filter and write ICMPv6 and press enter. You will see the different types of messages such as the network advertisement, router advertisement, multicast listener report, and so on and so forth. So let's press on this one, for example, neighbor solicitation. You will see that the type here is listed under ICMP. If you choose another one, multicast listener, you will see that the type is here on top of some additional data related to the type of the message. If you're interested in seeing the full story of the communication, go to the statistics menu and press on the flow graph. This view allows you to see the big picture of what actually happened. One last thing before I close on this video is that ICMP is sometimes used in malicious ways, especially in reconnaissance and ping sweeps, for example from Kali boxes. So it is a wise decision to choose what kind of ICMP traffic to allow on your network.